Well, this is the first time I've ever made a skateboard.
I think we can still kickflip that.
But it's not even supposed to be skating.
The thing about heavy boards, you just gotta pretend like they're light.
I got a crisp $50 bill in my wallet right now if you land at this try. All right, you guys, we are here today in uncharted territory. Not because we're in an amazing place, a new place that we've never been before,
We are at a warehouse.
but because look at what Nigel is wearing.
He's not wearing any black.
I don't even know who this guy is anymore. We are here today at the Hoonigan HQ in Long Beach, California. So we're gonna go in there and we have some very, very special things planned for you guys today. So we're gonna take you on a little exclusive look inside and they've made something very cool for us. What are you guys doing just standing here?
You're the one talking, we're just waiting.
You're not excited or anything? Okay, all right, let's go then.
I am Gabe Cruz.
Hello. So
How are you
you
guys?
are the mastermind behind all of this incredible construction and engineering.
If you call a mastermind, it's just kind of an accident, really. Most of the time, most everything we do is an accident.
I think we're in the same boat. I heard you made us a skateboard,
I'm
or in the
making you a
process of
skateboard.
making us a skateboard.
My buddy Kyle, who was here yesterday, had started to cut some stuff out for you guys on our plasma table. We were talking about it because you guys were like, all right, let's do something. Let's get a skateboard. And I
Yep.
was like, we can make one out of metal, no problem.
Oh, yeah.
And then I was like, it might be a problem. I don't know. I've never done this before. So we cut out a couple templates and just to do it here. Actually, I'll just show you. I got this old crappy element deck that's been like kicking around the shop forever. So I kind of would base stuff off that. And what I did is basically make 3 templates to make it like the ply that you would have in a board anyway.
Yep.
Metal, you obviously can't do like 7 or 9
Yeah,
layers because
yeah.
it's going to be super heavy. So the idea then is to have a base, which I will then probably put on this and kind of like contour around this and be able to bang that out. And then one will go over top of that. And these holes are here so I can rosette weld that in place. So after I make another one, these will be welded in so that won't move. Our last one on top, and I can do a couple tack welds in there, and then we'll weld all the seams on the outside once it's like kind of the desired look of it.
Yep.
I'll weld everything up so nobody gets cut, but it's gonna be heavy.
One time we skated a board made out of like a big slab of concrete like this thick, so.
Feel how heavy it would be.
I think we can still kickflip that. Well, I don't know without grip tape, but it's not heavier than.
Do we have grip
some
We
things.
can get grip tape. What I was gonna do is bend one up first, have you guys stand on it and see like what you want. Bend the tail, we could bend it out. And I made it a bit wider than the older board. It's an English wheel, so I can kind of like really manipulate and bend. The more I work it, the more it'll change the contour.
Yeah.
So it's kind of cool actually, because rather than like wood where you'd have to have something over it to begin with to lay it, metal you can always go back too if you don't like it, you just hammer it back.
And we'll see you in, I don't know how long this is gonna take.
Me either.
All right, Dan, so he got all the layers shaped and he's welded the first 2 layers together, but right now we're gonna test if it's actually structurally stable enough or if we need to add a 3rd layer. It's magic.
Could maybe use a little more rigidity.
It'll work. It's bendy, it'll be easier to pop.
Maybe pop a few more welds on it and make it a little bit more tough.
Look at the truck size. Could have gone a little bigger on the trucks.
So I wanted to see if it would be strong enough with 2 because it'd be a
feel
lot easier and lighter.
2, definitely kickflipable. We just gotta get the Hoonigan logo on there somewhere.
I know.
Somehow.
It looks tight like that though.
It does.
It'll be stronger, I know that. So let's just mess with it like this, right? Try it out. And if it sucks, then we'll add this one.
Okay.
Yeah, we could kickflip that. I had to feel the temperature to know if we could kickflip it.
Is that how you test the physics now?
It tested about kickflip temperature.
I should probably try and countersink this, huh? Well, this is the first time I've ever made a skateboard. That's weird. This is a really thin skateboard.
We were saying take a rim, no tire on it, and make the entire outside.
Oh yeah, it's
So
got
this is
plenty.
after you.
It's flexible though. The tail's like pretty flexible.
Oh, it's a little bit bouncy.
Yeah, it's wild to see how thin it is.
Yeah. Actually, that's not that bad. That's kick flippable. That's heel flippable.
Think so?
Yeah.
Oh, that is so much more solid than I thought. We gotta tighten the trucks a little bit.
Loose gang. No!
What's up, Dan?
What are you doing?
I'm on Twitter right now.
Just chilling?
Oh no!
You bent it, Gabe.
Oh no!
It is pretty bendy. Should we still skate it?
I think I just ripped my sock.
You did. Oh no! I feel like we might need another layer.
This is what happens when you let me stand on the board first.
Yeah, you shouldn't let the little guy stand on it. Come on now.
Yeah, Nigel only weighs 94 pounds.
Hey. Oh yeah. We need another layer. No matter what, we're getting some good content right now. Oh my God! A tornado, baby! All right, okay, I'm dizzy.
The way to start. All right. Ugh.
Do that now?
We have this monstrosity. Incredible creation. This has got to be 20 pounds?
I need to weigh it. I'm so curious.
Yeah, it really is super
it's-
heavy. I just wanted you to like run the camera through everything that you did, how exactly you did everything.
So basically, like you saw, we had 3 layers of metal, and we tried it with 2, and it didn't work. Basically, with those 3, we shaped everything. I used the English wheel to shape everything out and kind of create the contour we wanted. Looks somewhat like a normal board, but then every single thing we had to put together and weld together. So I drilled holes that we could rosette weld everything so it wouldn't separate, and then I welded the whole outside. After the first try that we did, we screwed it up and it kind of bent everything. Now it seems to work.
Well, your craftsmanship is amazing, and
Thank
he
you.
already stole it. He already stole it. But he's not even supposed to be skating.
Let him skate.
I didn't skate the other one.
No, I don't care if he skates. Just making all you commenters, you're gonna care. We're not forcing him to skate, okay? This is him. He signed the waivers. He signed their waivers.
He can basically do whatever he wants.
If he
here.
gets hurt, it's his fault.
How?
It's getting close to my shins. I don't like
Oh
it.
yeah, you gotta watch yourself, Dan.
We're gonna weigh it.
1560.
I was a little bit off.
Yeah.
15. What's a normal board weigh?
This one's really heavy.
5 pounds.
5 pounds.
Yeah.
So it's
Mine weighs
3
like
times the weight.
Yeah.
4. Half a kickflip. I don't have the right shoes on for this.
Like, why are we letting him do this? Dan.
Almost.
I just want to kickflip it to see how hard it actually is. You're making it look really easy. I can't talk today.
My legs are shaking. I haven't skated in a very long time.
Sounds terrible.
The thing about heavy boards, you just gotta pretend like they're light. I missed.
I don't know how he's so confident with it already.
I have no idea. Well, he does.
He's done some stuff on a machine door that was like 20 pounds, all down the 5 stair.
Oh, there we go. I'm gonna land a switch flip and then I'll give it to Nigel.
What?
Wow, this takes a lot out of you. Well, I'll be back in 4 to 6 weeks.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, wait. Can Nigel and I try a kickflip too, and then you can do whatever you want?
What's the secret? Hop and wait.
This backwards.
There is no way on this. How did you even? It makes no sense right now. That makes 0 sense. All right, this is like 100% effort.
Alright. Full send, brother. Tiger eyes.
Tiger eyes.
Tiger eyes.
Oh, I lost it.
I'll get your back.
All right.
Or you get mine.
No,
Whatever
you're gonna
happens.
do it before me because I don't kickflip.
Every time Nigel does a kickflip with something heavy, I'm afraid he's gonna be out for a month.
Break my back. I need to go see a chiropractor again.
I've been having trouble with kickflips lately, huh? Now it's serious. Dude, why can I not roll away?
He has to bring out his inner
I'm so amazed
Hoonigan.
at it. I got something, Dan.
If I lose my toes, Dan, remember them fondly.
Do it one more time so I can film it better.
line, it's just you just don't want to jump off.
We're gonna start getting weird over here. Hey, it's Linux.
This is gonna be interesting.
YOLO.
Good luck.
You're right. YOLO. Oh my God. Oh, this board's too
Hey, it's
heavy
heavy.
for
The
this.
momentum will carry you through.
I'm gonna be carried through this thing, brother. This thing's actually like heavy but skatable.
Probably the best metal board we've had.
Yeah.
For sure. Yeah.
You gotta lean back because it's like
Slow.
Oh no! I'm not trying to stomp it.
I think I could do that one day.
Oh man, that's so awesome.
Brother!
Alright, I figured it out. Playing a primo. I guess that counts. Oh no, that's what it is.
Good, someone else.
I got one. I just gotta go really slow. I don't know if it's possible.
I got a crisp $50 bill in my wallet right now if you land at this try. He's limber because he lost 20 pounds from his diet.
Ugh, I don't know if I got it. Didn't do no. I want to do all the kickflips on it. This is the last one.
Ah! Oh! What? All right, that's all you get out of me.
Are you satisfied with what
I
you
am very
witnessed today?
satisfied.
All right.
Satisfied.
Satisfied.
This is your trophy.
Thanks.
You get to
Thank
go
you.
home. You take that.
Thank
That's,
you.
You destroyed that.
You know, it's the least I could do was shred the board, you know. Like, you guys let us come here, you know. I had to do it for them.
He wanted to show out so he can come and bring his Jeep back next week.
Yeah, I really want to bring my Jeep.
He really wants to bring
the
the
Jeep Patriot.
Yep.
Hopefully
Show
that
that.
earned Jeep doors.
All right. Well, thank you for having us.
Yeah. Thanks for coming
Thank
by.
you for building
Guys,
it.
man, thanks
incredible.
for shredding.
course.
You guys are awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah. So that is it. That was the plasma cut steel Hoonigan 15-pound. Incredibly difficult to skateboard, but Fetty made it look really easy. But I don't think any of you guys who are watching actually know how difficult it is to skate this thing, skateboard.
Well, that's what the title's going to be.
Yeah, the entire title. I just watch out for it. The longest title in Braille history. A big thanks to Hoonigan for bringing us out here to their facility, their HQ, and letting us just mess around the entire day. It has been fantastic. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Learn how to skateboard. Go to the links in the description below. You'll find their website, their Instagram, their YouTube channel, all of that information. Check it out right down there, and we'll see you tomorrow.
I mean, just listen to this thing.